welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a minute. I've been dealing with some medical problems. I have low iron, guys, so I've been feeling really weak recently. So I've been to the doctor and I finally got it figured out. But anywho, we are going to be doing this rose body scrub. It is so cute and it smells so good, guys, and it is so moisturizing. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I love it. Like, I use it like at least once a day. But yeah, guys, that is what we are going to be doing today, so stay tuned. So you're gonna need a bowl, some gloves, you know, some measuring stuff. You don't need this mason jar. I don't know why I picked it up, but just ignore that. But yeah, some sugar, some oils, some coconut oil, some grapeseed oil, all the good oils for your skin. This is a preservative. This is natural. I don't know. I got it off of Amazon. I will link everything in the description box. But yeah, I have some lavender essential oil. These are dried rose petals. I got that off Amazon. Some Epsom salt. You can add a little bit of sprinkles if you want. I don't know. It kind of gives it a cute little touch. And then some containers. So yeah, that's what you need for this here. It's super easy, guys, and I think you guys will love it. But yeah, look, I made this. I actually have a video coming. It is a pumpkin spice body scrub, and y'all, it smells so good and I love it. It is too cute. Just wait for that video. But yeah, guys, that's all you need for this. So you're going to take a cup of sugar. I am making this for 2 of them containers. And then you're going to take a cup of Epsom salt. All the measurements will be in the description box below if you need it. And then now I am taking a mixture of the grapeseed oil and the coconut oil. I did a whole cup of that. And if you want, you can add a little bit more of some sugar or some Epsom salt if you think it's too oily. But it's perfect just like that. And then I took some of the preservative. I did about 10 drops. I got this off Amazon. I already said that before. But yeah, this is good just to have in it. I mean, you don't need it, but I just do it just to be safe. And I did put a drop or 2 of some red food coloring. You don't need it, but I just figured it'd be cute. Give it a little, you know, something. And then I did about 10 drops of lavender oil because lavender oil is so good for you. It's supposed to relax you and all that good stuff. And it smells good, guys. I'm telling you. And then I also did about a cup of the dried rose petals. And then I didn't show mixing it up because it's hard to hold my phone. But yeah, I just mixed it up just like so. And yeah, guys, like, look at that. That is so easy to do, like, literally. And roses are so good for your skin. They regulate hormones. They fight bacterial and viral infections. And they, like, help with skin aging. And a whole bunch of good stuff. Like, it's just really good for your skin. They're natural, and I think you guys will really enjoy making this and using it if you use it. Like, it really is nice, and it's super soft. Like, it makes your skin so soft, guys. But yeah, this is me just filling up my containers like so. I mean, nothing special. I just kind of put it in there and put it, you know, just push it down. And yeah, pretty much that's it, you guys. It's super easy. Like, this was a fast video because it's so easy. And I also have a rose face serum, and I think you guys will like that as well. It does include like actual rose petals, but make sure you check that out. If it's not out already, the video will be up in like a day. It's already made, just gotta edit it. But yeah, guys, just look at these. Like, I am in love with these. Like, honestly, like, they're so pretty, and like when you take pictures of them, girl, they are so cute. But yeah, guys, this is me trying to show you what it's like on the skin. But yeah, you can tell it's super moisturizing. Usually when I put it on, I do it in the shower though, so then you can rinse it off. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a fat thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below. And thanks for watching.